And what did I get? This is our first iteration. This is our x1. Then I will do this. Copy the previous entry and override -1 by the previous answer. Second, previous answer. Delete anything else. So now I want in the function that we created for the Newton's method to the calculator to replace in the function x by this. When I press enter, what is this new number I get? That's our x2. Now I don't have to do anything else but just repeat. This is our x3. Negative 0.8782835,255. Don't have to do anything. Negative 8782829,223. As you see, probably the next one will be identical and I don't have to copy it again. It is identical. So the method converged in 4 steps. We started with the initial. We got the first iteration, the second iteration, the third, and the fourth. The fifth one made no sense to copy because it was the same. And now you can solve any equation you can think of using Newton's method, creating the function x minus f of x over f prime, putting in the graphing calculator. That's all you need to remember. Other than, of course, we have to determine an interval. But that's the previous, this is from chapter 2. So I have to create the function like we did in chapter 2 with the intermediate value theorem and make sure that I determine a 1-unit interval. And I start at either end, making sure that this is not 0. And plug in -1, I get x1, x sub 1. Plug in x sub 1, I get x sub 2. Plug in x sub 2, exactly what we did. And you told me to write this. So in the function, I plug in x0 to get x1. Then I plug in x1 to get x2. Then I plug in x2 to get x3. It looks long because I need to explain, but it's once